Ever pondered over the myriad issues that seem to plague your operating system? Ever wondered why your screen freezes, why that spinning wheel of doom never seems to stop, or why your computer seems to have a mind of its own? Well, you're not alone. These are common issues that many people face, and they often stem from the very heart of your computer, the operating system. In the world of operating systems, Windows, developed by Microsoft, is arguably one of the most prevalent. It's a household name, and its journey of evolution is quite fascinating. Buckle up as we delve into the rich and complex history of the Windows operating system family tree. In the beginning, there was MS-DOS, a simple text-based operating system. But as the 80s rolled around, Microsoft envisioned a more user-friendly graphical interface, and thus Windows 1.0 was born in 1985. It was rudimentary, but it paved the way for what was to come. Windows 3.0, introduced in 1990, was a game-changer with improved graphics and the introduction of the Program Manager, File Manager, and Print Manager. As the Internet era dawned, Windows 95 arrived, bringing with it the iconic Start button and taskbar. Fast forward to the new millennium and Windows. XP stands out as one of the most popular versions of Windows ever released. It brought a streamlined, user-friendly interface, enhanced security and stability. Windows Vista, Windows 7, and Windows 8. Each had their moments in the sun, bringing in new features such as the Aero interface, touch capability, and the controversial removal of the Start button respectively. And now we have Windows 10, introduced in 2015, which has become the standard, with regular updates and improvements, including the return of the much-loved Start button. But beneath the user-friendly interface of Windows lies a complex architecture. It's divided into two modes, user mode and kernel mode. User mode is where your applications run, providing various services and keeping your programs isolated to prevent a faulty application from affecting others. Kernel mode, on the other hand, is the heart of the operating system, dealing with low-level operations like hardware management and memory management. It's like the conductor of an orchestra, ensuring everything works in harmony. To communicate with the operating system, Windows provides a host of networking commands. These commands help in troubleshooting, network management, and configuration, allowing you to take full control of your operating system. As we delve deeper into the world of Windows, it's crucial to understand some of the most commonly used networking commands. These commands are your toolkit for diagnosing and managing your network. First up, we have ipconfig. This command displays the IP configuration for all network interfaces on your machine. It's like having a map of your system's connections. Next, we have ping. This command checks network connectivity to another host on your network. It's like sending a hello message and waiting for a response. Then we have netstat. This command displays active network connections and listening ports. It's like a traffic report for your system, showing what's coming in and going out. The traceat command traces and displays the path that a packet takes to reach a destination. It's like GPS for your data, showing you its journey across the network. Finally, we have enslookup. This command queries DNS servers for domain name or IP address mapping. It's like a phone book, helping you find the IP address associated with a domain name. These commands are your tools for troubleshooting and managing your network, so don't be afraid to use them. They can provide valuable insight into your system's networking and help you keep everything running smoothly. Wrapping up, Windows has indeed journeyed far from its humble origins in the text-based MS-DOS era. Initially a basic graphical interface, it has morphed into a sophisticated, feature-packed operating system. The structure of Windows, partitioned into user and kernel modes, ensures seamless functionality coupled with robust stability. Through a multitude of networking commands, you possess the ability to diagnose and govern your system. Grasping the essence of the Windows operating system goes beyond its history or features. It delves into the very core of it, its architecture, its modes, and its commands. So when your screen halts, or you encounter the dreaded spinning wheel of doom, recall you possess the power to confront it. As we end our exploration of the Windows operating system lineage, remember that each time your computer springs to life, you're interacting with a piece of technological history. So let's toast to the operating system that's seamlessly woven into the fabric of our everyday lives. Windows.